Keep laundry day simple and save time ironing with this easy-to-use Grundig Tumble dryer offering plenty of helpful features. With an A++ energy efficiency rating, this dryer uses cooler air to dry your laundry, saving up to 70% in energy consumption compared to standard B-rated dryers. You can save money on your bills and stay kinder to the environment. Sensor programs measure moisture levels inside the drum and stop the cycle when the desired dryness level is achieved. You will avoid wasting unnecessary energy as well as any damage to your laundry caused by over-drying. The anti-creasing function rotates the drum for up to 2 hours after your cycle has finished. This helps reduce wrinkles and creases if your laundry is still sat in the drum after the cycle. Save hours of ironing time and enjoy wearing your favourite outfits sooner. For a practical and economical way to dry laundry for the whole family, choose this large 9 kg Grundig tumble dryer.